Alright guys, so the time has come. We're going to start working on the Camaro FireBird. What is it going to be? A Camaro, right?
I don't know yet. Maybe.
So, we're unsure. Well, he's unsure. He's going to keep it with the FireBird front. I do the Camaro front on it because obviously from the fender's back, it's pretty much a Camaro, right? And then
quarters have a
and then the left panel. We're going to snatch off the front clip of this thing to assess everything, and so we can clean it, paint what needs to be painted, and modify what. Look at that spider.
That's a Georgia Daddy long leg right there, boys.
Spider.
Yeah, spider. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the fender off and everything, and then keep going. I think we got to get seats out of it too, right? We wanted to get seats out of it, lift the carpet up. We can inspect it, see how the floors look, and if anything needs to be done on the car, any rust repair. Which the car is a pretty freaking solid car.
From what we can see.
Yeah, but I mean, there's always stuff that can be hidden on old cars like this. So we get a couple Ziploc bags so we can label bolts and stuff, and then go from there. Seems to be a little tight down there, eh?
Let's see if the other side has like a nut in the front on the
Will. Alright, so now he's working on trying to get that harness. Holy shit. That harness clip off. Like there's the center bolt to get that harness off. But Spider's still chilling here. He's just chilling, watching us, hanging out. We gotta name him Douglas. That's Dougie. We name him Dougie. But yeah, slowly getting there. We got some bags up there so we can put some of these bolts in here. And then we got the shims behind them that we gotta make sure they go in the correct order. Yeah, this thing's gonna look good. I really want to work on that thing right there. Right there. I don't know why, but I am a sucker for 4th gens. I don't know what it is. Like, I think they're ugly. I don't like 4th gen Camaros, but I love 4th gen Firebirds. Those are my favorite. But just, I don't know. I think it being a 4th gen just brings me back to when Ethan had his WS6 Firebird, or Trans Am, I mean. And yeah, that thing was rowdy. So I guess that's why I like 4th gens. But yeah, we'll do with this right now. Yeah, we'll deal with this 1st gen Firebird. Alright, so we just went ahead and got the 2 bolts for here for the radiator support. Now we're working on down here, the bumper. Once there's 2 right there. So we're gonna get those off, finish this fender once, and then we're gonna try and move the clip as one whole assembly. Now we're working on these 3 bolts right here to get this out of the way, to give us a little more clearance to get the bolts down there that we originally were trying to get. Now there's 1, 2, 3 bolts right in here that I got to get off, which is to this bracket here that will hold it up, the wheel well, to the frame of the car. Got that one out already. So now I'm going to work on getting these 3 out. And then we got the 2 bolts on here. And at that point, the whole front clip should just pull right off the car. So let's knock these out real quick. All right, guys, pretty dark. We went in and ate dinner and stuff, but we got the front clip pulled off right here, as you can see. I know it's a little dark out, my bad, y'all. But yeah, got this all off. We got the brackets right here. These brackets here that come up to bolt up the FireBird front end. If you're putting a Camaro front on it, you don't use those. Those are just for the FireBird front. And then right now he's just going around, cleaning around here because there's metal laps up here. So you gotta like take the seam stuff off and everything. And I believe there's like rivets you gotta drill out. Spot welds, yeah, that's what I meant. Drill out the spot welds and everything because that's all part of the dash. And he's going to be putting a Camaro dash in it anyways. And this windshield is in good shape, right?
looks like it.
So we definitely don't want that to break. But yeah, most part, everything's good so far. Yeah, freaking puppy chewed the damn shoes. Should beat his ass with this thing. But the FireBird Camaro is looking very much good. Yeah. So, yeah, he's gonna go around and spray these little, I'm guessing, are they Phillips?
Yeah.
Some are, yeah. At least there's one here. Can you get them all? Get all these. I believe these are what, 7 mils? Or 8? So. Yeah, I think they're 7 mils. Oh yeah. It's the next day. Light out. Y'all can see what's going down. We're still working on it. I'm gonna update you guys here in a second. But here's the front clip. Like I said last night, we kind of took it off as one whole unit, so it's easy to work with and stuff. And we don't have pieces laying everywhere. So this way makes it easier to pull the clip off. And we got everything off. So we can access all this stuff here, so we can clean what we need to clean and paint everything like that. Right now we're working on up here. Ethan was taking all these screws and stuff out of here that hold this trim, which is now up here for the window trim. And he's working on trying to get these bolts out here for the whole wiper unit right here. So this here has to be pulled out as well. So there's like spot welds that you have to like drill out, and then we got to get the glass out, get the rest of the molding out, get the glass out so the dash can come out. He has the Camaro dash he's gonna be putting in it as well. And while that's out, we can clean everything nice, sand it all up, scuff it up, and get some block offs, because I believe this is all coming out. So we're gonna do like a block off panel like they did here, and then just paint everything nice, make it look good. And we want to here very shortly let's fit the engine and transmission in this, so we can see clearance for a bunch of stuff that we need to do for oil pan clearance and exhaust, whatever it may be. Always good to test fit an engine when you're doing a swap. I mean, engines come in and out a bunch of times. So let's get back to what we're doing up here and continue. All right, so Ethan got the wiper assembly off and everything. He just got the passenger seat pulled out. Get the first look at how it looks under the seat now. Seats are in good shape for sure. Yeah, a little dirty, but I mean, we can pull the vacuum out here and vacuum this up. But I think he wants to pull the carpet out completely anyway. So get that other seat out and go from there. All right, so both seats are out. We got the back seat out. Well, the bottom of the back seat, which over here, the frame is in really good shape. So that's really good. We can get the seats redone if need be, but the frames are here. That's the important part of these cars. So right now, you got them tools so we can get the back piece out. So we can go ahead and start cleaning all this out and get carpets out. I think he wants to remove the shifter as well, so we can get the whole carpet up. Right, shifter's out, back seats are out. Progress. Oh yeah.
That last night ago.
Cool thing is this is a factory AC car. I don't know if I mentioned that last night, but yep, factory option AC car. Yeah, the car looks pretty good so far. We'll see after the carpet's up.
I'm sure there'll be shit that we don't want to see.
Yeah, that's why I'm kind of like letting you do it. Alright, I guess I gotta help from this side, eh?
Oh, you bastard. Let's see, hold on. Use the trusty old impact. We'll get those off without spinning. You know,
we tried. All right, guys, so you guys saw clip is off, and we went ahead and pressure washed the whole frame of the car, control arms, like all the front end stuff that we took off around the Firewall, the cowl, all of it. Got inside all the little nicks and crannies of everything good in here. And then down inside all of it, best that we could. Down in here from the inside and outside, because it had a lot of dirt and mud and just stuff trapped in there. Just around a lot of the areas, like through here and here, really good, as best as we could. So didn't record it because it was kind of like getting dark out. So, but major progress on this. Probably gonna go ahead and end the video here, get it all edited up and post it for you guys. But next video on this, we'll probably go ahead and finish washing the rest of the car. And I'm not sure we're gonna jump into painting the front end stuff, or if we're gonna start test fitting the engine and transmission in the car to see what has to be done, ordered parts. I don't know, but he wanted to get the front clip off because we're gonna be pulling the engine in and out of it a few times. Probably go ahead and get it pushed into the barn. I got the square body cleaned up a little bit, so making progress. Yeah, but you gotta leave it alone. Come on. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys are excited for this build and want to stick around for more. If so, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you guys want to go above and beyond that, there's always merch you guys can buy, or there's a membership button there. It helps the channel tremendously, because we got a lot of cars and we're trying to get them done. We want to get going on this here soon. Going on this right now. We got the square body. We're going to be jumping on the coupe 240, that one, the blue coupe, and the dually shortly. But for now, that's gonna be it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. I hope everyone has a great day.